Hi Aries, welcome in. You're watching the Sacred Sun Tarot. Let's see what's happening in your love life. Aries, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter and Sun. Always keep in mind these readings are general, so never try to impose any reading on your situation. If it's meant for you, you're going to connect with it naturally, right? Reverse the roles if needed, switch the cases. This may not be your reading entirely. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. Let's see what messages come through for you. Aries in love. Ace of Wands. Very interesting, Aries. Just give me a second. Yeah. Very, very interesting energy. This is a very interesting energy, Aries. So your intuition is telling you that someone around you is coming in with a very passionate offer or a gesture. I don't really see that the conversation is on right now, or this person has actually contacted you till now. But from your intuition, from your inner self, you can make out that someone is really interested, and we'll see why it's still in your mind yet. But yes, Ten of Pentacles. Commitment, family, bond. You can meet this person when you are in a family gathering, or when there are a lot of people around. Can be a party, get together. You can meet that person there. Wow. Let's see what was the recent past for Aries. Someone is coming in and igniting some kind of romance in your energies, right? Very positive. We have Eight of Swords, Justice and the Six of Cups. So I see, Aries, in the recent past you released a cord or a connection, right? Yep, we have Ten of Cups, Eight of Cups. So you stepped back from something. There was for some of you, I got a message that you just felt out of love with someone, right? From Ten of Cups, Two Cups just vanished, right? So Two of Cups, love energy just vanished. And Eight of Cups, I see you walking away from something. Can be recent past, can be 8 to 10 months ago, something happened. And I see that for very long you were in a confusion that I don't know what to do. Can I stay in this forever, or I should release and walk away? For very long there were fears, there were questions, there were a lot of stuff going on your mind. But finally you made a decision, right? I see Justice energy. Recently you took a stand for yourself that appeared to be justified, and here you are. Some thoughts and emotions are there on your mind. I see Six of Cups energy. For some of you, you still miss someone. There was a separation that happened lately and you miss something. There are memories, there are emotions. You remember the bond you shared with somebody. Wow, right? Let's see what's happening right now for Aries. Current energy for Aries. I see for some time, maybe you were alone, you were spending time alone, or you were looking for a date, or maybe you were not looking for anything entirely. You were just healing and recovering from something, and suddenly someone is coming and igniting emotions, passion here, right? Let's see. We have Five of Wands, Six of Wands, okay, Three of Wands and Knight of Wands. So yes, passion, definitely passion. Queen of Cups energy, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy, Aries. Very, very interesting. I see you taking over the conflict, right? Up till recent past, there was some kind of mental conflict going on, and I see there was some kind of indecision that was stopping you from deciding something. But Six of Wands, I see some kind of energy coming towards you, which is going to help you make the final decision. And I see that from some days or from few weeks, you were in the process of doing something. You were in the process of manifesting something, and that was difficult. Every time you were doing it, you were losing direction, you were getting confused, and there were a lot of blockages and challenges. But now I see you coming out of it. Six of Wands energy, you're taking over it, you're successful, people appreciate your work, and I see that somehow a lot of support is coming towards you. Right now you're going through the phase of success, maybe material success, maybe financially you are getting recognized in your work area. but something is missing, right? Something is missing. Three of Wands energy. Maybe the passion you were looking for was missing, or something was actually missing from your energies. So see, Knight of Wands. Somehow someone is coming in and stirring in romance in your energies, right? For some of you, I see this is you. You are appearing so beautiful and attractive to other people, fire sign energy. And all the cards show me that your energy, your appeal is rising, right? And you're going to attract a lot of things towards you. This is the card of attraction, manifestation, and success. You're manifesting and attracting abundance, and this is not just attracting abundance, but I see a lot of people are getting attracted to you as well. Someone specific, maybe, right? Maybe you're just not looking there and just enjoying and having fun. For some of you, I'm also getting a message that I am waiting for something new in my life, but in this wait also I'm enjoying, right? So there is some kind of fun associated. In past, there was not. In past, some kind of fears and some kind of confusion was attached. But I see somehow you are coming to this point where you will start enjoying the process of change, process of growth, process of manifesting changes in your life, right? Wow, some beautiful understanding is taking place here. And someone is definitely Knight of Wands energy. They're mostly the messengers. Some messages will come through for sure, and that is going to further uplift this energy in you. We have the High Priestess, the Two of Cups, and the Ace of Swords. Beautiful Three of Cups energy. Aries, wonderful energy ahead. So we have High Priestess here. For some of you, I see Aries that your intuition is telling you. Can you see these cards? Someone is just closing the eyes and looking from the third eye. I see light here, I see light here. So your intuition is definitely telling you something, and somehow it's making you feel happy, right? So your intuition, for example, your intuition is saying that within next few months, I'm going to have a beautiful romantic relationship in my life. And you've started enjoying the process. You're changing yourself, you're working out, you're spending time on yourself, energy on yourself, you're healing and you're exciting. And knowingly or unknowingly, you are initiating a spiral of happiness, right? So how you feel is what you radiate, and what you think is what you manifest. So this is exactly what is happening. You are initiating a positive cycle, positive spiral of happiness, success, and love in your life, right? And in no time, when you are quiet, healing, meditating, and manifesting, you'll find love, Aries. And I think your intuition knows that who is going to be the right person. For some of you, this person is already there in your energies, or very soon, within 3 to 4 weeks. In fact, I see someone is getting manifested in your life. I see 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, and 6 weeks, right? Someone is getting manifested in your life here, and you are the one doing that. You are unknowingly, probably, you are radiating such positive energies out there that you're manifesting new love in your life. Again, there are thoughts, there is a bit conflict also. Ace of Swords energy, I see some things have to be released. For some of you, I'm picking up that some cords have to be released of the past. So you are in that process right now, and somehow you're gaining strength. Somehow I pick up that your energies are getting elevated. So if in past you were working on X potential, now you're going to work on 5x potential, right? I see your potential in reality rising, and you yourself are manifesting this change, right? This is like law of attraction I'm picking up for some of you. Amazing energy, Aries. I would like to see, what is this Ace of Wands energy? Excitement, happiness, intuition, and passion, right? What is this Ace of Wands coming towards Aries? Four of Pentacles, you're very resistive to open up to that, but finally you're letting go of the conflict and disappointment of the past. Six of Wands energy again here. So definitely there is some conflict. This is a confirmation that, so Six of Wands taking over the Five of Wands. This is some kind of progress happening in your energies, right? And this is a confirmation. I see you recently have been through a conflict, very recently, maybe a few days ago, and you were not opening up to some excitement. For some of you, I'm also getting a message that you had a conflict going on and this person was there in the surroundings, but you didn't want to open up because you didn't want this person to know about this conflict, right? So there was some kind of disappointment and a secret about some dissatisfying environment, and that was the fear and stress on your mind. But as this conflict gets resolved, as this change happens, beautiful energies are coming your way, right? Let us see, Aries, what is this Five of Wands? What was this conflict in your surroundings? We have the Lovers, beautiful, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Death. Wow. I see there was a choice to be made. For some of you, I'm getting a message that you had a choice in love in the arena where you work, in your office or in your work arena, right? You had a choice in love. And somehow you realized that right now your focus should be somewhere else. There was maybe a particular person. I see Gemini energy, I see Piscean energy, and I see Scorpio energy, right? And there are a lot of cards on the table, others also. I see that you realize that you're not ready for something, and in your work arena maybe, or in your surroundings somewhere you work or you relax, you turned something down, you ended a choice, right? And death, transformation, you moving away from something. And somehow I pick up that probably that past love opportunity for some of you was causing the conflict and the disappointment on your mind. But you were actually not open to it. Now you're Six of Wands, you're successful, happy, available. For some of you, I see this is you radiating the energy of being available. Yeah, I'm available for love now. Opening your arms and accepting abundance. Oh my God, yes. And the moment you do that, Aries, the moment you come out of the conflict and realize that I need to end some fears and distress in my life, you're manifesting true love in your life, right? Some emotion, some connection which is unique. Magician, exactly. Oh my God, oh my God. How amazing, Four of Wands. Magician, Chariot, and the Five of Swords. So do I need to say anything about this? So beautiful. I told you, I see the manifestation here. You are radiating such a positive energy out there, Aries, that this is going to take you to some new heights, right? For that, I'm picking up a message for someone that you're cutting something out also, you're releasing something also, and this is all definitely going to create some kind of disturbance in your surroundings. Like people in your surroundings might feel threatened or might feel abandoned. But this is the change happening within you, and I see the major focus right now is on you, your healing, your abundance, your growth. And in no time, I see this connection arriving, right? And especially if you are single, I assure you that if you're looking for love, if you want a true commitment in your life, within a month or so, within few months, I see a beautiful new connection being manifested in your life, right? So beautiful. And if you were going through a choice and you had somebody by your side whom you love, but at the same time some choices in love were disturbing you, I see your connection getting elevated. So if you're already in a connection with somebody, even that is going to get improved. I see very positive energy here, right? We have Seven of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and High Priestess. See, High Priestess clarified by High Priestess, and Seven of Cups and Queen of Pentacles. For some of you, I'm getting a message that you are in a phase where your intuition is telling you that be where you are. You have achieved something, you have brought so many changes in your life, and right now you're on the path of progress, right? So at this point, at this moment, let people think what they're thinking and you just do your work quietly, right? Seven of Cups is a very different energy. This is not more about confusion. This is more about being calm when you know other people are confused about you, right? Sometimes there is no need to just fight the odds and go out and fight the people and try to change their opinion about you, you know? Sometimes we are good where we are. We don't need to change the outlook of the people, the way they think about you, the confusions, the thoughts, whatever they carry for you, because you are in the process of a change. And at this time, you don't need to correct people, you don't need to be bothered about what other people think. It's more important what you think about yourself, right? So we have beautiful transformation taking place, and somewhere your intuition is telling you just be there, right? Just let it happen. Ace of Swords twice, so definitely a point where you're about to release something. What is this Two of Cups? Two of Cups is twice on the table. I'm quite sure that you are on the path of manifesting new love for yourself. This is beautiful. And Page of Pentacles, Five of Cups, and the World. So before you start a new cycle in your life, Aries, again the same message. Before you start the new cycle in your life, it's very Ace of Swords again. See, it's very important to end some past cycles, right? Some cycles which you were not very satisfied in, some cycles which were draining you, and some cycles which you believe that they're no more helping you anymore, right? They're no more supportive, right? You both don't match each other. If you were in some past connection and the connection is no more there, but some dependency is still, or some connection is still existing between this person and you realize that you don't gel up together, you don't match each other's frequency. So it's time to cut out all the connections and situations which don't match your energies and just let it flow naturally, right? I see a lot of conversation now. Till now, I don't really see a lot of conversation was taking place, but within 2 to 3 weeks, things are going to stir up. I see you, the Magician, here. So a lot of conversation is going to start taking place. Beautiful. And you're realizing to end a cycle. See, Queen and King of Pentacles, this is an ideal partnership. Wow, Two of Wands, Ace of Swords, King of Pentacles, Two of Wands, making the final decision. Oh my God. Brilliant. We have Wheel of Fortune on the table, and we have 10 of Cups and Ace of Wands here. This combination is amazing. For some of you, I feel that your intuition is continuously telling you, Aries, that the person you were dealing with in past, maybe the one you released, or maybe the one you dealt with way long ago, a few months ago, you realize that that was not the level, that was not the connection you wanted in your life. There was a mismatch. And your intuition is continuously telling you that the partner you deserve, King and Queen of Pentacles, the one who is going to support you, the one who is going to be the one, right? The one, I should say, is going to match your energies, King and the Queen, right? Is going to match your aura. That person is on the way, and you know that. Your intuition is telling you that. Maybe you have encountered someone around and you feel that this is the one I was waiting for. In the upcoming days, I see important decisions being taken. Ace of Swords, a lot of mental tension will be there because you're going through a process of transformation, and definitely that starts with the mind. But Two of Wands, 10 of Cups, and Ace of Wands, this is the point where you manifest a beautiful, abundant relationship in your life. And Ace of Wands here and Ace of Wands here, you are in the middle of the transformation, Aries, and mark my words, you won't be single for long if you're single, or if you're going through a transformation, you're heading towards a very beautiful relationship in your life, right? Wonderful, wonderful energy, Aries. I loved it. I just loved it. Messages for Aries. Forgiveness. I acknowledge that harboring resentment blocks the flow of love. So any kind of resentment, any kind of anger, past bad emotions or disappointment, they are just going to block your energy. They're just going to block your chakras, and the flow of love and energy will get restricted. So you don't have to do that. Let go. We have courage. I find the inner strength to face fear with confidence. So whatever fears, Eight of Swords energy, Moon energy, disappointment, illusion and fears you had in past, you're getting the courage. Chariot with the Magician, you're getting this courage to release all the bonds which are no more needed. Wow. Trust, I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. Listen to your intuition. All the cards are coming out in confirmation, Aries, and I just loved your reading. Very nice. Freedom. I possess the power and free will to create my own happiness. So you are the one who is going to manifest everything in your life. Can you see the confirmation? Freedom, Magician, Courage, Chariot, Trust, Intuition, and Forgiveness is more about the justice energy, being justified with your own self, right? So all the cards are coming out in confirmation, and I just loved your reading, right? So these are the messages that I have for you, Aries. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye bye.